An English proverb says, "Eat leeks in March, garlic in May. All the rest of the year the doctors may play." You must have guessed today's veggie in focus. It's the leek. The easily distinguishable leaves of the leek provided a popular appearance. This is the leek plant. Leeks are a popular member of the onion family that are used as a vegetable, often in soups. They are native to Central Asia and have a delicious and mild taste. They can be grown in many climatic conditions but require more watering in places with a low amount of rain. We plant leeks in autumn to harvest them in spring. This crop is ready in next few weeks. They like to be sown in warm and sunny places, but the temperature shouldn't be hot. Leek likes to grow in fertile, well-drained soil. Growing them in sacks, grow bags, terracotta planters, and even in the soil is good for them. The ones in the soil, however, will obviously grow thicker. Did you know that leeks are toxic to dogs and cats? So remember to keep your pets away from these plants. Raw leeks sometimes may even be used in salads. They have numerous health benefits and contain several nutrients. My favorite soup is the cream of leek soup made in my kitchen. The leek is an important symbol for Wales. Leeks contain over 80% water. They were quite popular with the Romans. Leeks are grown in my garden in trays and they are transplanted whenever suited best for them. They can be easily planted to border flower beds. The stalk of the leek is what is used as a veggie. So we must try to make it grow longer and thicker rather than bulbous. One way of doing it is to keep shading the stalk so that it grows tall to reach for sunlight. There are also unique and pretty looking plants in your garden. A few popular varieties are American flag, King Richard, London flag, etc. One good thing about the leek is that you may leave it in the soil till you want to use it. It doesn't bolt or go bad. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.